What's good, my kayak family? They done did it to me again. They done did it to me again. All I wanted was the weedless prop for a 136. They got me, dog. They got me, dog. You about to see. I'm about to show you. You know, this kayak rigging stuff, y'all make it look easy. Greg Blanchard. Yeah, exactly. Y'all make it look easy. How many fisherman therapy after this? Let me show you what they did. God, no, I might as well show it. I'm so embarrassed. So embarrassed. Okay. Y'all know I like to fish up in creek channels. Thick brush. So, I saw a kayak fisherman on his channel told me to get the Weedless. See how it bends? Keep you out the weeds. The propeller doesn't grab a bunch of grass and you gotta, you know, stop, pull it out and all that stuff. And fishing line and stuff like that. But they got me, dog. They got your boy. Oh, you about to see, I'm about to show you. Great goobly goo. Thank God I got the receipt, because that was about $30. Yeah. Check this out. The prop pin. Slide that in. Find the prop where it goes. So, we found out that my Weedless Wedge 2 doesn't fit. So I went with the original, and we'll just ride with that until I can find the correct size of this Weedless, because I really like that. You know, I like to get up in them creeks and creek channels and stuff, so I wanted the Weedless, but didn't fit. So I'm gonna take this back, and this little project on my kayak is to be continued, or Knowing me, I'll probably just say, hey, I'll leave it as is. So, yeah. So I just put my other prop back on. Thank God I bought, see, I had lost the nut to this. And something told me when I was in the store just to buy another little prop kit, just in case. $5, $6. I bought this on a whim. This came with everything. Yeah, but it don't fit. No, look at that. It don't fit. They done got you, boy. They done got you. So I went with my OG and just put the prop kit on. You know, I gotta get out there now. I got people waiting on me now, you know. Sponsors and people, you know, tournaments to get into. So I'm gonna hold this on until I can figure this out. Cause damn, dog. Damn, dog. Listen, so this is part of my insanity that I got going on. So I got my charger to my GoPro that's gonna come down. I'm gonna strap it to this and it's gonna connect to my battery that I'll have in here, right? But because it's not the right color, look how it's throwing my, man. Ah, yes, this is the right color. You feel me? See little stuff like that? Oh man, I just put this on here for now. Little stuff like that is what I have been going through. Something don't match, the colors ain't right. I changed the wheels because I like these mags better. You know what I'm saying? I've been spending a lot of time getting how I like it. So yeah, that's part of my kayak insanity that's been going on.